guys, yes guys, so we got our package. It's really solid. It was actually tiny, something that was quite unbelievable, but yeah, we ordered our Arduino Nano. This is just the receipts. I'll keep that for reference, but guys, take a look. This is how tiny it is. If I grab my phone, this is the iPhone 13 Pro. It's not the Max, it's the Pro, but you can literally see how small this thing is. I guess that's why it's called the Nano. I've been really excited for quite some time about this product, and when it was released, I was pretty intrigued about getting one, because I have a bunch of ideas. I want to start with this very thing. So why don't we just open it up and see what's inside, what comes inside. So I already have the boards, just in case you're buying the Arduino. I have the boards already, and to me it made sense that I could just actually get the actual Arduino. So but if you want the whole starter kit, feel free to go. I'll link the URL in the description below, and so that if you're trying to get this item, it's all about you to either get the starter kit or just get the board only. Yeah, so when we open the box right now, what we got a couple of stickers. You can put them on your laptop. I really like this. This is really good packaging. So they have the Arduino logo and open source, which is why I actually wanted to buy the Arduino from the actual website, because I wanted to give back for what they're doing actually. Then you got an extra thank you notes and instructions, and I guess, yeah, you can disclaimers, something about selling your kidney. But putting that aside, I'm gonna put this aside. I hope the camera is really focusing on also have this that is gonna protect the Arduino from scratching, and more warranty stuff. Put that on the side. And then this is the man of the hour, guys. This is actually really tiny. This is super tiny. If you thought the box was tiny, this is actually really tiny. The Arduino Nano is ESP32 is really tiny, and for me, in the first place, I was shocked, but it makes sense to me, because whatever project I want to work on, I want it to be nimble and small, and yeah, fitting in. If it's a device, I have a bunch of ideas that I'm thinking about that I'm gonna work with this thing. So if you're curious about what the ESP32 can do, honestly, this can connect to Wi-Fi. It has Bluetooth activities, abilities to connect to other devices. So yeah, this is what actually came in the box. So just 3 of them, and you can literally connect this and then connect extra jumper wires. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to read the documentation and try to play around with this thing. I have a bunch of ideas. I asked ChatGPT to suggest for me ideas that I can start for my startup company, and it really gave me a bunch of cool ideas, so I can't wait. So it has the power source, it has the actual memory, all the I hope you can see this, all the actual ports. It has the analog, it has the analogs from, they're really tiny, from A1 to A7, and then it has the actual digital ports as well on the other side. That is 2 to 11 actually, which is to 12, which is actually pretty impressive. Okay, so I can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna write on I'm gonna prompt ChatGPT to give me extra suggestions, things that are really make sense, that can be done in the shortest time possible, and I'll document each and everything that I'll be working on, and I'll post a video about it. So if you want to see what I'm going to work on with this thing, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, give me ideas on what you would want me to work on. I have a lot of ideas, and but I have one priority idea. So just go ahead and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one, when probably we have our first project up. It's gonna take some time, but I'll make sure I document everything, and I'll make a series out of it. So I can't wait to hear your feedback, and I don't know if you've bought this already, but it's just new on the website, and I thought it's a good idea to try it out. See you soon in the next one. Bye.